Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This has been an interesting little day here. I'm not sure. So everyone say hi to Unicorn. Unicorn, say hi to everyone.
No, thank you.
What about your review?
Oh, hi.
Your review of this non-Aussie squishy, but looks pretty well.
Oh, sorry, I was sleeping. So, guys, we found this at Five Below, right?
Yep.
We find RCs everywhere, no matter how expensive they are. Like the ones in my dreams. Anyways, so we got this at Five Below. Wasn't it like 10, 5?
Actually, I thought it was $1.
Yeah, maybe like $1, yeah. I don't know because I wasn't over there. I was looking at the Hello Kitty RCs. But anyways, it's squishy and stretchy. And it actually moves. No. Ah. It's the fact that I'm going like this. Make it spiky. Okay, I'm just gonna roll it. Come on, roll. There we go. So it actually like moves wheels like normal. And then it looks like it has some stuff. And like drive shafts. And then just
Those are axles on.
Oh, axles. But then it has teeth on the side, and then teeth on the front, then it has eyeballs. It's a dinosaur. Whee!
And next time on the episode, you'll be testing the radical race car. Yes, we will. Hoot hoot. Hoot hoot. Hoot hoot. Till next time, guys.
Hey, I'm going to sleep.
Keep on seeing. Rock-a-bye unicorn. Peace out.